Hi there everybody. On today's video I'm going to be removing the battery on this Mercedes 2005. This is a c180 W203, and I'm just going to show you how to take the battery off. You can open the bonnet all the way up on this particular model by pressing a little red button. So if you press the red button, you can push the bonnet all the way up. Now the battery is located on the passenger side, and I'm gonna start by removing this pollen filter cover. I've already undone some of the clips here. And we can remove this pipe here. Take that off. And that's where the battery is hiding. Now I'm gonna disconnect the negative side. That's a 10mm. But just remember, before disconnecting the battery, if you have a radio that requires a code, make sure you have the code. Now there are two 13mm bolts holding the battery down here. That's one of them, which I've already undone, and that's the other one there. And these have there's a clamp. That's one of the bolts. And we'll get the other one. From there. Okay, now I'm going to remove the positive side. Okay, now this is fairly heavy battery, so be careful with your back. Don't injure yourself. Okay, that's out now. Now we're ready for our new battery. Okay, now that I have my new battery, again, it can be a little bit awkward to get it in there, so be careful with your back. It's a good idea to try and get the all the wires out of the way so nothing gets stuck when you get it in there. Okay, so the battery I'm fitting in is it's a bit smaller than the one that came out, so I will have to use a different clamp to get it in secure. There is a hole in there for another clamp, which is that one there. Okay, so if you buy the correct size battery, obviously you're gonna be able to use your original clamp with the two 13mm nuts, and you shouldn't have to do any adaptations. In my case, since I have the smaller size battery, I'm gonna use this clamp here and this bolt. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the original clamp in there in case somebody puts a bigger battery in another occasion. So I'm going to connect the positive side first. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on it. This is white grease. And now I'm going to connect the negative. Okay, now that is nicely secure. Now we can get the this cover on. Just making sure that these flaps here, this this bit here and this have to fit in there and there. And you can fit this back on as well. This white bit goes in this metal clip here. And that's it. Of course you will have to reset your clock inside the car, but and we can also close the bonnet by pressing this button here and slowly letting it down. Just be careful not to short anything when you're working with a battery. That's why I usually connect the positive side first. That way the negative is not connected to any part of the car, so there can't be a a short as such. Anyway, it's best to be careful and do it slowly. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.